What's good, Night Schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and today we in the shop. So we just gonna go ahead and dust off the Impala, clean it off, man. It's gotten real dusty after working on this dashboard and sanding and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off, and you know what I'm saying, do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying, drive it a little bit. The wheels are still really like slanted, so I don't know, man. I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but we'll have to figure it out. Probably have to raise the car up some more. That's probably why it's so low like that. But anyways, man, you know, we're not gonna do too much. Hopefully Dash can help me out and make it over here, and we might be able to get some rollers. The Impala, he was supposed to come help me out and adjust this door, but hopefully he brings the bike so we could do some rollers and some stuff around the neighborhood. He probably will, because it's a nice day out here. But anyways, I'm not gonna stall y'all out. I'm gonna just show y'all the car. The Impala hasn't been on the channel for quite some time, man, so I just want to get it some camera time, because she's been tucked away, and you know, I want my car to, you know what I'm saying, I want to show my car some love. So anyways, man, before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notification every single time I drop another video. And yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all, you can see she is extremely dirty. This wheel is still kind of like slanted, so I might have to raise the car up some more, but like I said, I'm gonna just wait until I get some new wheels, to be honest, before I start trying to adjust it some more, because I think the car has to come up. It's still riding too low, but you can tell just how dirty it is, man. It's just been sitting up there collecting dust. But we got another sponsorship to cover this thing up. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. The car cover or whatever should be here, I don't know, probably like next week sometime. So I'm gonna clean this up, and then it'll stay nice and clean as, you know, the time goes on or whatever. But anyways, man, let me go ahead and hit it with some water, and then dang, oh no, oh no, oh no, I think it'll come off, y'all. I think it'll come off. Oh, that's gonna be tragic. I think it's coming off though. Oh no, what did I hit? Oh no, I was just pulling it out the garage. I think it's just on the clear coat, y'all. If not, then damn, that's gonna be tragic, y'all. Oh man, I gotta get these things together, man. It's hard getting this car out of the garage, especially with it forward, because of how long it is, and I only move this truck up to the edge of the street because I don't want it to get stuck or anything like that. And as I turn, I guess I was hitting, I think, one of my lights. I don't think I was hitting this. I don't think I scraped up against that. It don't look like it. I think it was just my light. I ran over my light, but damn. Well, we'll see if we can get that off, man. I still got to cut and flow coat and all that kind of stuff, so yeah, I should be able to get all that off. There's some imperfections that we need to touch, but yeah, let me go ahead and wash the car, man, and clean it up so it's nice and pretty, and then I'll wait for Dash to get here, and then hopefully we can, you know, ride around her a little bit. Also, I got to run the gas out too, so I'm gonna probably do that, because I gotta drop the tank in order to do the fuel pump. So let me go ahead and wash the car, and then I'll wait for Dash to get here. All right, y'all. Dang, look at that sun smacking off that candy. I hope it's not too much wind, but that scrape did come off, luckily. I mean, it's not a big deal, because we are going to we're gonna flow coat this and, you know, clean up some of the stuff this year. And then it still looks all smudgy, man. I don't know how to get this like perfectly clean, like the rags I got. I don't know what's going on, but it still looks a little smudgy, but whatever, man. It is what it is. I don't have no like wax, like spray on wax, so if I did, I would probably use it, but I don't. But it looks a lot better than it did, and that's all that matters right now. But yeah, man, so I'm about to dry this thing for a little bit, and enjoy this nice weather for a second, and then I guess I'll bring it back home and put it in the garage. I haven't heard back from Dash yet, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it today, but we'll see. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to see if I can get some of this smudginess off of there though first, and then after that, I'll get in the car and drive it a little bit. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, man. Driving this Impala feel real good, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait to get some more wheels for this thing, man, because these wheels cool, but you know what I'm saying? I think it's time to switch it up, y'all. And I know I say this in every video or whatever, but you know what I mean? I think it's time. But this car rides so much more smooth ever since I lifted it up. It probably needs to get lifted up a little bit more, and it definitely needs alignment. The wheel is kind of cocked like to the right a little bit, but it is what it is, man. We're just gonna enjoy this nice, beautiful day, and just cruise around a little bit, man, and see what it do, man. I'm gonna probably leave the car out, whatever, just in case Dash hit me up. But other than that, man, you know, I'm just out here riding, out here cruising, man. Like I said, I gotta burn some gas out because I need to lighten up the tank. But yeah, man, anyways, I'm gonna keep enjoying this. I might pull over, you know, we might get some pictures and some video of the car. And other than that, man, that's pretty much it, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's up? Some kids on some motorcycles. Anyways, I'm gonna just drive around a little bit, and then yeah, you know what I'm saying, have a little bit of fun, enjoy this nice beautiful weather. Let me pull over, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'll hop out. Man, look at that candy, y'all. This is the first time I ever sprayed candy, and it looks amazing, y'all. I know there's blemishes and stuff like that, things that could be improved on, but man, I am proud of myself. I am not gonna lie to you, because the way this candy look, man, you cannot beat it. Look at the wall, the shady part on the car, y'all. I know it needs some cutting up and all that kind of good stuff, but we getting there, man. But look at the sun smacking off the hood. Woo. Man, I'm ready for this summer, y'all. I'm ready. Let's go.
I figured.
All right, y'all. Dash came through to help me align this door to the Elco real quick. So we gotta lift it up, because if y'all see, there's a couple of chips on the door because it's not, you know what I'm saying, it's not closing like it is. So we're about to lift it up so I can get ready for this car show. And then we're getting closer and closer, but yeah, let me go ahead and cut the camera off real quick so we can do this real fast, and then hopefully we can get some action in this, and then after that we're good, man. We're gonna wrap it up. All right, y'all, it's kind of hard to see, but we got the door lined up. It's closing now. There's some extra material right here that I gotta take out, so I'm gonna have to take out to make it better, but it's better now. It works. It closes, yeah. Well, not the big ones, but you could flick the switch. There you go. Yeah, it looked better now, man. So we got it together. Body lines are still not perfect, but you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we working, man. That's what it's all about. So we gonna get it, man. All right, grind schoolers, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I finally got the Impala out to go on the drive, whatever. Like I said, I gotta drive it as much as possible to get the gas out so that I could do the fuel pump on it. I was trying to siphon the gas out, but it's taking a whole lot longer than I wanted to take, because I'm using like a brake bleeder kit, and the cup that the fluid goes into is like that big, and it won't siphon otherwise. I'm sure obviously I can go get a siphon kit and all that kind of stuff, but I don't want to spend no money, no excess money that I don't really necessarily need to spend. You know, I'm sure I could do the old method by, you know, with the tube, but I ain't trying to get no gas in my mouth. So You know what I'm saying? How we do it is we just drive the car, you know what I mean? And I enjoy driving my car, so that's what we're trying to do. And also I wanted to clean it up because I do have another, I won't necessarily call it a surprise, but I do have another situation that I'm gonna announce when it comes to fruition, or when, you know, the product gets here. So stay tuned for that to see what that's gonna be or what that is. And then also too, like I said, I did want to get some roller shops, but you know, it just kind of got too late on us. And Dash came through and helped me out with the door on the Elko. So shout out to Dash. And I know I'm shouting Dash out all the time. And congratulations to 2,500 subscribers. That's huge, bro. But he helps me out tremendously. Every time I need a hand or every time I need some type of help or assistance with anything, I can call Dash, and you know what I'm saying, he's right here. So I definitely appreciate him for everything that he does. And yeah, so we got the doors on the Elko, right? They're closed now, so I don't have any worries about, you know, them chipping or doing whatever they were doing before. I just need to get some new door strikers and we're good to go. And the Elko is almost completely done. But anyways, like I said, the Impala, we're getting close with that as well. Hopefully I could put in the order for the new wheels shortly. I don't know when it's gonna happen. I selected some that I think are gonna look really, really good on there. But we'll just see, man. You gotta stay tuned for that. So anyways, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long, but anyways, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time I drop another video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.